Good morning, you guys. Hope you guys are having a good morning. What am I doing? Okay, so pretty much I washed my hair last night. I know you guys are gonna like, what did you do to your hair? I haven't done anything. My hair just grows. I would love to give you some sort of routine of some sort, but I'd be lying to you. And I'm sure I could make a product, but I'd be lying. Let me stop playing around. I would be lying. I don't do anything to my hair. I literally just wash it and go. Okay, if you're wondering what I'm doing, I haven't slept. I am currently in Savannah, and I am about to go. If you're wondering, I am putting on Becca Coca, and I have the bakery in Pennsylvania, and I'm literally just gonna put it under my eye and use the excess around the remaining of my face like so, just so I can look up. And when I say up, not up, but like good morning, see, up, right? I really like this because it's almost like foundation, but it's the concealer. I just decided to go skin tone, so that way it'll just be a little bit thicker under my eye and over my eye and stuff. Anyway, I just didn't want to look sleepy. You guys, I am going to the house. I went last night and it was pretty dark. The lights aren't on as of yet, although all the lights and plugs and everything is hooked up. It's not on. But I was over elated to see that the doors were changed, and I could not sleep because I was like, I'm waking up this morning and I am going to go check on the house. This is the baking powder again from the bakery. This is it. Beauty Bakery, black owned company. See that? It's just like super simple, and my face look like super rested. I'm not gonna put anything else on because I honestly don't feel like I need anything else. But my hair is like going crazy, and I'm gonna tell y'all what's surprising me, which I'm loving. So it was actually a blessing that this girl chopped my hair. You see it's growing back, right? And it's growing back even the front. I haven't been doing like a lot of leave outs, so even the front of my hair is like coming back, and like it's even all over, which I really do love that. I really do love that. So I'm happy that I was like, oh my god, let me hold on to the hair, let me hold on to it. I was like, no, I chop it off and let it grow back. My hands is probably gonna be a little crusty and ashy. It's okay. We're doing things, okay? But I'm gonna go get in my car because we're gonna go look at the house. I'm not supposed to show y'all the house. Y'all not supposed to see a house. So we gonna pretend like y'all did not see what's going on today, all right? And we don't know you got fair, but pretend like y'all didn't see it. So when the video's over, be like, Nadia, we ain't seen nothing. Our memory men in black. Our memory has been wiped clean. So feel free to do a house tour after you close, okay? But it looks so good. I can't not share it with you guys. I can't. Like, I really thought about it, and I can't not share it. I do wish I could have gone with hardwood floors, and I think in the future I'm probably going to change it because right now it's just a luxury vinyl. The hardwood floor was just a little much, and I was already like over budget, you know. But I'm excited because it looks so good, and they changed my cabinet. I thought I was gonna get like one cabinet with one door like the other side, and they put a larger cabinet with double doors. I mean, it looks so good. I'm bringing both of my cameras, this one and also the 80D, that way you guys can see everything. But let me stop talking. Y'all like, come on girl, shut up. Can we see what's going on? You can skip. Oh my gosh, let's go. Don't go chasing waterfalls. I'm not really singing, I just want you to see my hair. She thought she was gonna chop it off, but God had other plan. Lord, I think you're moving too bad. And I got edges, y'all. Hold up, hold up, hold up. And I got edges, y'all. Did I scare y'all? You guys, there's outside. They have already put down for the patio. And here is the interior. The walls are actually painted. I know they look pretty white. The doors aren't and the steps aren't stained. Everything looks really, really white, I'm sure, but it won't be white forever. The next thing is, I love the floors. It is a grayish color, so it has a nice brown gray tones in it, which I love. I'm trying to get the camera to focus. There you go. And then of course the bookcase. Let me zoom back out again so you guys can see that. And the fireplace was an upgrade, not the face, but definitely the stone. It came with like the black. I didn't want the black, I wanted it to be like that, because once the Christmas tree goes here and the Christmas tree goes here, that green is gonna look really good. So I'm excited for that. And then the stairs. I'm really not supposed to even be showing you guys this, but again, we're gonna pretend like y'all don't see it. But here's the island. Kitchen. That's pretty much it. It is actually 7:30. So I sat out here for about an hour and waited for the light to come out, and the house looks so good. Like, I mean, I knew when I went into design I had very little to work with in terms of, you know, what was going to be feasible. So I was like, oh my gosh, I wonder how things are going to turn out. And I wasn't sure if things were going to turn out right and look okay. I did see some of the things that they did that they shouldn't have done, which is adding trim into the master bedroom. And I see they added the trim. So I have to figure out a way to work around that. And the only reason why I had asked not to put trim in the master bedroom is because they put a 3-inch trim, and I wanted to do like 4.5, something a little bit thicker, just to make it look a little bit more grand. I know I'm being picky. I know I'm being picky, okay? But I'm just gonna let that slide. It just looks so good. It just looks so I don't have any complaints. The house just looks good. I didn't take any pictures upstairs. I'm gonna go back inside and take some pictures, and I'll just let the pictures run so you guys can see everything. But I'm really excited. Remember what I said, y'all did not see the house, so when I do the tour, just act surprised, okay? Just act a surprise. Anyway, y'all have a good day.